Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're going to take a really objective look at the biological concepts and, the clinical claims behind this massive trend of intravenous hydration therapy. I mean, whether you've seen these boutique clinics popping up around your neighborhood, or maybe you've heard athletes and executives just raving about the benefits, there is actually a very specific science to how all of this works. So we're going to break down the source material to understand exactly what happens to your cells when you just completely bypass the digestive system.
We're going to start off with a super relatable problem. Why do over-the-counter creams and oral vitamins sometimes just fall short? It's incredibly frustrating, right? You do all the right things, you chug your 8 glasses of water a day, you apply all those expensive lotions, you pop a daily multivitamin, but despite your absolute best efforts, your skin still feels dull and you're just chronically fatigued. Well, to really get the science of IV therapy, we first have to look at why these everyday methods are biologically limited.
Which brings us to Section 1, the digestive bottleneck. So, when you drink a glass of water, it doesn't just distribute evenly everywhere all at once. Your body is basically this hardcore, strict survival machine. Fun fact here, your brain and your heart are actually composed of over 70% water. That means these vital organs, along with your lungs and your liver, they immediately claim the lion's share of your intake just to keep you alive. Because of this whole triage system, your skin, which is your body's largest organ by the way, literally gets pushed to the back of the line. By the time any resources trickle down, those vast dermal layers are often left severely underhydrated.
Now, the source material also points out that your gastrointestinal tract acts as this incredibly strict filtering mechanism. In clinical terms, this is called the first pass effect. Think of it like a gauntlet. When you swallow a vitamin pill, it gets immediately subjected to harsh stomach acids, digestive enzymes, and then this really heavy filtration process by your liver. It causes a massive amount of waste. So by the time those surviving nutrients finally make it into your bloodstream, their concentration is just drastically degraded. Your body is essentially breaking down and discarding a huge percentage of the active ingredients you literally just paid for and consumed.
All right, moving on to Section 2, the intravenous bypass.
If the gut is acting like a roadblock for optimal absorption, well, the clinical solution is to just bypass it entirely. By using intravenous therapy, clinics guarantee a 100% absorption rate. Because this method puts fluids, vitamins, and micronutrients straight into your bloodstream, completely skipping that brutal gastrointestinal gauntlet, there's absolutely zero degradation. Literally, every single milligram of those infused vitamins and every single drop of hydration is instantly available for your cells to use.
I mean, just look at the stark contrast between these delivery methods. It's wild. Topical creams just sit right there on the outermost layer of dead skin cells, giving you maybe a 10 to 20% absorption rate, and that takes days or even weeks. Oral supplements, fighting through that digestive bottleneck we were just talking about, yield just 20 to 40% over hours or days. But IV hydration, 100% absorption with immediate cellular uptake. It's an instant systemic saturation that oral methods just biologically cannot compete with.
So let's look at what's in these treatments in Section 3, fueling skin and immunity.
The whole philosophy of these clinics relies on delivering exceptionally high doses of compounds that are otherwise super tough to absorb orally. Take vitamin C, for instance. When delivered via IV, it gives your fibroblasts the exact raw materials they need to synthesize fresh collagen fibers for firmer skin. And then there's glutathione, which is known as the body's master antioxidant. It actively flushes toxins out of the liver and neutralizes all those damaging free radicals caused by everyday pollution and UV rays. Ultimately, this promotes a remarkably clear, bright complexion right from the inside out.
Okay, next up is Section 4, NAD+ and cellular repair.
For this part, we need to zoom way down from your bloodstream and into the microscopic power plants of your cells, your mitochondria. NAD+ stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It is an absolutely vital coenzyme that acts as the primary transporter of cellular fuel, and it activates these specific enzymes called sirtuins, which are basically the repair crew for your DNA. But here is the biological catch. By the time we hit middle age, our NAD+ reserves are often chopped in half. And this is exactly why we start to experience deeper fatigue, that annoying mental fog, and much slower physical recovery as we get older.
Now, there's often a bit of confusion about how to actually get this coenzyme. So let's clear up the difference between two common methods. On one hand, we have NAD+ itself. This is the active coenzyme your cells use directly for energy, and it can be delivered straight into your system through an IV. On the other hand, we have Niagen, which is an oral supplement and a patented form of vitamin B3. You see, you can't just swallow an NAD+ pill because the molecule itself is literally too large to absorb that way. So instead, Niagen supplies the raw building blocks, or precursors, for your body to synthesize its own NAD+. It's two different routes, but they both share the exact same goal of cellular restoration.
Let's bring this all together in Section 5, the clinical experience. So, to ground all of this complex biochemistry in the real world, what is the actual process like? Well, it's surprisingly stress-free. First off, a medical consultation reviews your health history. Second, specialized clinical staff use techniques to ensure a painless insertion. Third, and honestly, this might be the rarest modern luxury of all, you are simply forced to sit and relax in a climate-controlled lounge for 45 to 60 minutes. Finally, you get to experience the immediate effects, which people often describe as this mild, refreshing, cooling sensation in the arm, followed by an instant boost in physical energy and mental clarity. It's also really worth noting that older adults, specifically those in their 60s and 70s, often see the most traumatic benefits from this safe process. Why? Because, as we discussed, their natural digestive absorption rates have already significantly declined.
What's really fascinating here is how highly localized this care can be. A one-size-fits-all approach to health rarely ever works, right? The source material gives a great example of a clinic in Herndon, Virginia that actually assesses specific regional exposures, whether they're dealing with those draining, humid East Coast summers or the really dry, frigid winter winds of the Dulles Tech Corridor. By understanding your specific environment and your daily lifestyle, they can formulate the exact nutrient blend your body requires to combat your specific local climate.
So, what is the crucial takeaway from this explainer? Really, it's the fascinating biological mechanics of intravenous delivery. By overcoming the hardwired limitations of our own digestive systems, we can unlock 100% bioavailability for essential nutrients and cellular repair mechanisms, which leaves us with a pretty compelling question to ponder. As medical science continues to find new, innovative ways to bypass our biological bottlenecks, will direct intravenous delivery transition from just being a boutique trend into the future baseline for human wellness and preventative health? It is certainly something to think about the next time you pour yourself a glass of water.